Hi there, Chris Kenny here. Welcome to Money Monday. And I want you to grab a pen and a paper if you don't have one already, because what I'm about to say is really important. I want you to write it down. Okay, here's the statement. How you do anything is how you do everything. I'll say it again. How you do anything is how you do everything. So, one of the ways that I help my clients when they're stuck, if they're looking for what's going on in my business, what's going on in my mindset, what's going on with me that's creating this current result, and usually there's some stuff going on that's kind of hanging out in their blind spots. They're not exactly sure why they're not getting what they want. They just know they're not getting it. So, what I do is I help them look in other areas of their life besides their business. And we look for patterns in other areas of their life. Because if a pattern is present somewhere else, it's going to also be present in the business. So sometimes we have to look outside of the business for the problem that we can then translate into, oh my gosh, I'm doing this in business as well. So if you're stuck or you're not getting the results that you want, start to look in other areas of your life. Look at your physical fitness. Look at your relationships. Look for patterns of behavior in those different areas. And if you can identify a pattern that's present in a different area of your life, you'll be able to translate that back into what's going on with your business. And sometimes that's where you can find some really significant solutions to why you're not moving forward in business. Now, I'd absolutely love to hear what opens up for you as you go through this process. So feel free to post your comments below. And if you're watching this somewhere else besides chriskennycoaching.com, then click over to www.chriskennycoaching.com, click over to the blog page, and feel free to post your comments there. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Bye-bye.